Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm making this video informing you of something that's happening with California and Porsche. So basically what's happening is that California is banning all 992 911 GT3 with the manual transmission. Not the PDK, just the manual transmission. And the reason being that it exceeds the maximum noise level, which is crazy to me because Porsche is still allowed to sell the PDK in California, and both cars have a 9,000 RPM at redline. So it's mind-boggling to me why California is just targeting the manual, not the PDK. So apparently Porsche meets a new regulation that's put in place, that's new from 1998, but California just did not update the law, so Porsche cannot sell the manual 992 911 GT3 as of right now, which is very crazy if you consider there are V12 Lamborghini Aventadors, V10 Huracans in California, and those cars are very loud. So I just do not understand why just a manual 992 GT3 cannot be sold inside California. The PDK still can be sold in California, and the buyers are given the option from dealers to switch to the PDK if they choose at the moment. And the dealers are contacting buyers individually so if they want to switch to the PDK they can. It's very crazy because California is where all the weird stuff happens, all the weird laws come in, and it's very crazy that California is just targeting the manual. Like, I just cannot wrap my mind around it. I guess it's just California being California. So let me know down in the comments down below what you think. Do you think this is justified? Porsche just got caught off guard, they didn't realize. They met the new standard, but California just didn't update. So it's fault on California, not Porsche. So like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.